Once in a while, our AirPods not going to work properly, and we have to do a reset, complete reset of the AirPod, and I'm going to show you how to do it the quickest and the most sure way how to reset the AirPod. So first thing that you want to do is go to your settings and go to Bluetooth. You would want to find your AirPod. Mine is this one right here. It says Bob's AirPod. Click on or tap the I, and then go ahead and click on forget this device. And forget device. Okay, once you're done with that, next thing you want to do is come back out to your main screen like that. The next part of the reset, you would want to locate the button at the back of the AirPod. You would want to open the AirPod, make sure that you have both of your AirPods inserted, and you have a battery. Obviously it has to be on, and what you want to do is let's start over again because I explained it too long. Open it and then press the button at the back, and you will notice, let me turn off the light. Oops, let me turn off this light. And you will notice that it's gonna start blinking orange 3 times, and then it's gonna be back on blinking white. So it was blinking white probably for about 10 seconds, and then it blinks orange after that 3 times, and then it starts back to white. And then you can close it. Well, now it's going through the same cycle again if you keep your finger on it. And then afterwards, what you should notice is that when you open it near your phone, it's gonna come back and it's gonna say AirPods. It's no longer have the name Bob or whoever's AirPod. That's how you know that it's completely reset. And again, this is how easy it is to reconnect to your AirPods. Just on the home screen of your phone, open it, open the AirPods, and then click connect. Continue, and then you can go back in to your Bluetooth, to your, right now it's named Fred's AirPod, and then you can change the name right there. Okay. All right, we just want to create this video. I have reset my AirPods many times, and it has fixed erratic issues, sometimes slow to connect or not connecting, or I don't know. There's just a lot of things. It's good to reset it once every couple of months to make sure that everything is still working good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm can make this video be found for other watchers that is looking for how to reset AirPods. Thank you again, and please subscribe to my channel.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.